Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to compare two files in Notepad++. If you ever find yourself in a situation where you have to compare two text files but you don't know where to do it, Notepad++ has a plugin that does exactly this. So if you want to know how to do it, stick around to find out. The first step is to locate the Plugins tab in the top. Click it, and then click Plugins Admin. In this list, search for the plugin Compare. Check it, and then press Install. Notepad++ will reset after this. Now that you've done that, head to the Plugins tab again, and you'll see a new option called Compare. When you have your two texts ready, press this option, and Notepad++ will compare your two files. And that's it for today, everyone. I hope this tutorial helps you on your current and future projects.